Hello, guys, and welcome to another video. And today's weekly Wednesday topic is going to be how do I study a stock? Okay, so basically, I'm going to talk about how to select or study stocks, uh, even if it's for intraday or if it's for long term. So, without wasting any time, let's just begin with the video. So, for me, the most important study, and for a lot of traders, these two components are very important if you're into the stock market. Okay, one is the fundamental analysis, and the other is the technical analysis. Technical analysis basically helps you to understand when to buy the stock, and fundamental analysis helps you understand and what to buy. Okay, so let's begin with technical analysis first. Now, technical analysis is, of course, reading the chart patterns. And I have mentioned it before in my Basics of Stock Market video, which you can check it out later. But let's dig deep into it right now. Okay, so various patterns that are being made on the day to day basis are being registered under technical analysis. Okay, now with a view about the future and how these patterns affect the stock, you can immediately take in trades and you can immediately have the future, you can immediately take in trades and you can understand the future of this stock as well. Okay, so one of the main component of technical analysis is to understand the support and the resistance zone. Okay, now when you understand the support and the resistance zone, this is basically when most of the people say that यार मेरा stock इधर touch करके सीधा shoot किया, or else they say like it was at a high and then all of a sudden it just dipped down. Now, these two major examples are an example of support and resistance. Now, the support and resistance is basically understanding, where the base of that stock is and how strong a base of that stock can be. Now, resistance zone is the power of the stock where it shoots high. Now, of course, it will face some kind of difficulty to break the resistance zone, but it's not always that it will always push down from the resistance zone, because in day to day trading, there's so many stocks that just shoot up and they break the resistance zone. But of course, this is one of the most basic understanding in technical analysis. Now, technical analysis helps you to get the upcoming future out of it, right? The certain patterns like head and shoulder, then there is bearish pin bar, there's bullish pin bar. These candlestick pattern help you to understand when to buy that stock and for how long you should hold it. Because after you get a red signal, you can sell off that stock. And when you get a green signal, you can buy that stock. Now let's jump into the second analysis, which is fundamental analysis. Now, fundamental analysis helps you to understand what to buy and how this stock is performing. You get to know the basic insights of the company. So, if you want to understand fundamental analysis, the best website to visit is NSE, okay, the National Stock Exchange website. This is authorized and, of course, is completely taken control by the government, so it's not manipulated at all. Now, why I say this is because in this website you get to understand which stock you choose, from Tata Motors to Reliance to DV Slab or anything. You can get all the reports. You can understand their business, reading the financial reports, understanding the audited books. And of course, they have so many board meetings, and these all are penned down and these are given out to the public because these guys have to give it out and it's a public company, right? So they are liable to give it to us because we need that information as an investor. I need that information and I need to know what's going on inside the company. Now, let me give you a basic example. A CEO of a company, let's just say, is changed right now. Now, this can also affect the stock market. So, if the CEO of a company was really good and all of a sudden he has resigned or he has retired or any of that thing, and another CEO has come, this can probably lead to more sellers, because I as an investor was happy with the CEO and he was doing great job. But then there are also other things which affect the stock market and vice versa. Okay, like the CEO part. Okay, now you get to understand the internal and the external environment of the company. The internal environment, basically, the how are the people working? Are they reaching their goals? The goals are being set. Are they planning it? Are they executing it? The external factors such as the tax rates, the political tension between two countries, is it affecting the stock? Will it not affect the stock? Is it technology based or is it labor based? All of these you can understand through the fundamental analysis. Now, fundamental analysis helps you to understand various other things like ratios from P ratio, PCF ratios, and other terms like assets, liabilities, overhead expenses, and so many balance sheet terms that are being used. Okay, so if you're into long-term trading and all, I would seriously suggest you to keep fundamental analysis as a strong point and technical analysis as well, because that helps you to understand when to buy that stock. Now, fundamental analysis helps you to understand what to buy and how is the stock going to perform in the future, right? Now, these two components are very important in the stock market, right? So that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I tried to keep it as short as possible, but I'm pretty sure this must have gone a bit too long. And this is just a basic understanding about technical and financial and fundamental analysis. But if you want me to dig in too deep and make a long video about it, so just comment down, and of course don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and see you in the next video. Bye.